shit and forget it. Just put my whole life on credit. Yeah. 2024 indebted. All I know is I'm broke. Can't need the money cash. I don't have a choice, I'ma run it up. They take my card and cut it up. Boy, really need to make a comeback. But I don't even count those spending. Lost my job getting accent. Buying shots from my friends overdrafting. Giving up, regretting none of my actions. I don't even wanna know my or sign on the dotted